that we have today is the most famous here in Wisconsin Dells, called Hawks Beak. If you follow the shoreline out front of us all the way out to the left, at the furthest point where it hits the water, then looks straight up. Top of that cliff would be the upper beak of a hawk. Look about 2-3 feet down from the lower beak that's curling up. Small rock in between the two would be the tongue, and if you really use your imagination, the ledge of the cliff next to it could be its wings and soars across the Wisconsin River. You're still having a tough time seeing it. It is straight out in front of us now. Up at the top, it looks like a big hawk mouth. It's the most famous because it was pictured on the cover of Life magazine back in 1962, and it was also used as a waypoint marker for Native Americans as they went down the Wisconsin River.